Well, I don't know about you, but I've wanted those $1,000 lights and $2,000 lights and 3,000, the really expensive lights. I'm just like you. But a year ago, I didn't have that to spend. Now, pretty much I still don't, and I still use these lights because these lights that I'm about to share with you are awesome, coming in at just $309.95. And then you can get soft boxes that come with it. Now, these are square LED lights, but we're going to be talking about the pros and cons in this video, so stay tuned. Let's get into it. Well, hey guys, Evan DiDio here, bringing you more media tips and tools for churches. In this video, I'm sharing with you some of my favorite LED lights that I've used for more than a year now. Now, I have done videos on LED lights before, and if you'd like to check that out, you can click this little card right up here. Bing! You can click that right there and watch some more lights reviews, and more will be coming in the future too. You guys seem to really like lighting reviews, so I'll keep doing them. But these lights I've been using in videos for a long time, even before I really knew how to use lights correctly. I've used them on several video shoots. They have saved my life on many occasions, well, not literally, figuratively, of course, and they work great. Of course, they are bicolor too, so you not only get the regular daytime temperature, but you also get a warmer temperature for if you want some either creative lighting for maybe a hair light or a key light, if you want to change the color temperature, and it looks fantastic. And this is a little bit what it looks like in some live streams that I've done for my pastor for the church, with the warmer light as the hair light and the main light as a key light with a soft box. Yes, you can get a soft box with this. The soft box works fantastic. Of course, it does dim the light a little bit. The brightness isn't as bright as it was before, but it does still do the job. It still makes the light really soft and makes the skin look much more flattering for those of you that really want that flattering image. And to be real honest, it's not easy to put on, but once you get it on, you kind of just keep it on and it travels like that. Now, it does travel really well too. It's just two small boxes and then the stands, and then you can take them wherever you need to go. I've taken them on several trips outside of our state, several places out of state that we've gone, and just around North Carolina, where I am currently at. And they're great for travel. They are great for any gigs. We actually use them as fill light for the stage at church at the moment. They're kind of also backup lights in case we need to do a studio vibe at the church, and I don't bring my lights because we got some lights for the church too. But they work great for filling the light on stage and just making everything just a little bit brighter for the camera. Yeah, and coming in at $309, y'all, this is crazy. And then the soft box is close to $40 in that area there. So if you get two of those, you're thinking about spending $380 something compared to the $1,000 lights for one light. And this, by the way, this comes as a 2-pack with the stands that you need, which, by the way, are some heavy-duty stands. Work great. I haven't had to fix them at all. One in the second pack that I bought, one came in, it was a little messed up. I still haven't fixed it yet, but I'm sure it'll be an easy fix. And if not, you can probably easily send it back or give them a call. They can show you how to do it. But yeah, these lights are fantastic. Come with barn doors too. Great control, great maneuverability. I'd say get these lights especially if you are brand new at videography. Get these lights if you have been doing videography for a while. These will always be at your disposal. Very helpful. I don't think you should keep them in the car, but they can always be ready to go with you no matter where you're going, traveling, and you can be sure that you've got two bicolor square LED lights, a foot by a foot, by the way. It's a big light, bright light, and you know that you're going to have some good stands on the road too. So I'd say go ahead and pick up these lights on Amazon. There is a link in the description if you'd like to learn more or check out the reviews. But again, my name is Evan DiDio. Please subscribe to this channel. Please ding that. Click that subscribe button hard, like click it good, or tap it if you're on your phone. Tap it and then tap that like button too. And comment below if you have any questions about this light or any other inquiries that I might be able to answer, because I have been using these lights for a while. Also, I've got some $60 LED lights. If you'd like to take a look at that, there is a box popping up on the screen right now. You can watch that video on a 2-pack, $60 LED lights. Not as big, not as bright, but you can do any color on the RGB spectrum. So worth a shot. Go check out that video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.